Hello, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, right outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. And today we're going to be reviewing the 7x22 Gooseneck equipment trailer. As we can see in the front, we have our ram coupler, safety chains, breakaway cable, and trailer light connector. The frame is made of 8-inch I-beam frame. There's also two 12,000-pound ram jacks. The floor is made of pressure-treated wood. This trailer also comes with D-rings and stake pockets. This trailer comes with two 7,000-pound axles on 16-inch wheels and tires. The axles have a rubber grommet that is removable and regreasable. The trailer comes with diamond plated fenders. Coming to the back, we have two 5-foot ramps. Holding up the ramps, we have two arm bar pin locks. The ramps are adjustable. Trailer also has LED brake lights. At the end of the trailer, it is a dovetail trailer. Trailer also has reflective tapes on the side. Coming back to the front, there is a chain basket. To store chains or any other belongings. And on top of the chain basket, there's a spare tire mount for quick and easy access for the spare tire. And if y'all have any more questions, please give us a call at 615-641-7720. Thank you and have a great day.